Sa 3D Lotto naman, 4,500 pesos ang panalo ng 10 piso ninyo kapag nag-match yung 3 numbers nyo sa mapipiling winning combination in exact order. 750 pesos or 1,500 pesos naman ang pwedeng mapanalunan kung nag-Rambolito system play. Try steady po ang 3D Lotto, that's every 2 p.m., 5 p.m., and 9 p.m. At nakapili na po ng 3D Lotto winning numbers. The first number is 4. For the second number, we have 7. And the third number is 6. Muli po ang ating 3D Lotto winning combination for tonight is 4, 7, and 6 in exact order. For our last game this evening, alamin na po natin ang swerte ng 2 numbers ninyo. Let's now play the 2D Lotto game. $2D Lotto players, 4,000 pesos per 10 pesos play ang panalo kapag nag-match yung 2 numbers ninyo sa ating winning combination in exact order. Kung nanalo via the Rambolito system play, 2,000 pesos naman ang maiuwi ninyo. To all our Lotto winners, may 1 year kayo to claim your prizes. There you have it, our 2D Lotto winning combination. For the first number, we have 6. And the second number is 1. Recapping the 2D Lotto winning numbers, for the 9 p.m. draw, we have 6 and 1 in exact order.